If you're struggling to get a good night's sleep, you're not alone. Poor sleep habits can be caused by a variety of factors, including stress, anxiety, and lack of routine. Fortunately, there are several steps you can take to help you fix your sleep schedule and get the rest you need. In this video, we'll discuss how to create a bedtime routine, ways to manage stress and anxiety, and other tips to help you get back on track. Why you should fix your sleep schedule. Having a consistent sleep schedule is essential for your overall health and well-being. Not only does it help you maintain regular energy levels throughout the day, but it also ensures that you are getting adequate rest and recovery to perform your best. Unfortunately, many of us struggle to stick to a consistent sleep schedule due to our busy lives. Here's why it's important to fix your sleep schedule and how to do so. Sleep is essential for our bodies to heal, restore, and rebuild. When we don't get enough restorative sleep, our bodies can't function as well, which can lead to fatigue, difficulty concentrating, irritability, and even physical illnesses. Having a regular sleep schedule helps regulate our circadian rhythm, which is the body's natural cycle of wakefulness and sleepiness throughout the day. Having a regular sleep schedule helps keep our bodies in sync with the outside environment so that we can get the most out of our day. Additionally, having a regular sleep schedule can help improve your mental health and well-being. Getting enough quality sleep can help reduce stress and anxiety, improve your mood, and give you more energy throughout the day. It can also improve your productivity levels, helping you stay focused and motivated. If you're having trouble sticking to a regular sleep schedule, there are a few things you can do to help get back on track. First, try to limit exposure to bright screens, such as phones and computers, in the hours leading up to bedtime. The blue light from screens can make it harder for your brain to wind down and prepare for sleep. Next, create a nighttime routine that helps your body relax before bed. This could include reading a book or doing some light stretching. Lastly, try to stick to a consistent wake-up time every morning, even on weekends or holidays. This will help reset your body's clock and set yourself up for a successful day. Creating a healthy sleep schedule doesn't have to be difficult. With some simple adjustments to your daily habits, you can ensure that you are getting enough quality sleep to keep your body functioning at its best. When to go to bed and wake up. It can be hard to adjust your sleeping habits, especially if you've been used to erratic sleeping patterns for a while. But with a few simple steps, you can get on track and start feeling better in no time. The best way to establish a regular sleep pattern is to set a bedtime and stick to it. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps keep your body in sync with its natural circadian rhythm. Aim to go to bed between 10 to 11 p.m. and wake up between 7 to 8 a.m., allowing yourself 8 to 9 hours of sleep each night. It is also important to establish a consistent nighttime routine that can help signal to your body it's time to rest. Try winding down an hour or two before bed by engaging in calming activities like taking a bath, reading a book, or meditating. Avoid bright screens such as TVs and computers, as this can make it harder for your brain to relax and fall asleep. Finally, try to make your bedroom as comfortable as possible by keeping the temperature cool and the room dark. If noise is an issue, consider using earplugs or white noise machines to drown out any distracting sounds. By following these simple tips, you can begin establishing healthy sleep habits and enjoy more restful nights. Give it some time, and soon enough your sleep schedule will be back on track. How much sleep you need. The amount of sleep required to function optimally varies from person to person, but the National Sleep Foundation recommends that adults aged 18 to 64 should get 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. If you find yourself feeling tired during the day, try increasing the number of hours you sleep each night until you reach an optimal level of energy and alertness. Once you know how much sleep you need, it's important to create a consistent sleep routine. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends and holidays. Sticking to a consistent sleep schedule will train your body to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Invest in blackout curtains or an eye mask if needed, and consider using a fan or white noise machine to drown out any disruptive noises. Creating a routine. If you're having trouble getting a good night's sleep, creating a consistent sleep schedule can help. A regular bedtime routine can help your body know when it's time to fall asleep so it can settle into a natural sleep cycle. Here are some tips for establishing a regular sleep routine. 1. Pick a bedtime and stick to it. Your body likes consistency, so aim to go to bed and wake up at the same time each day. Even on weekends or days off, try to maintain the same schedule as much as possible. 2. Establish a pre-bedtime routine. Whether it's taking a hot bath, reading, or meditating, pick an activity to do before you go to bed each night that helps signal your body that it's time for sleep. 3. Avoid naps during the day. Naps can make it harder for your body to fall asleep at night, so try to keep them short and limited. 4. Reduce caffeine intake after lunch. Caffeine is a stimulant that can disrupt your sleep schedule if consumed late in the day. Try switching to decaffeinated coffee or herbal tea after lunch. 5. Exercise regularly. Physical activity helps tire out your body and can help you sleep better at night. Try to exercise at least 3 times a week and avoid exercising too close to bedtime. 6. Make sure your bedroom is conducive to sleep. The bedroom should be dark, quiet, and comfortable so you can drift off easily. 7. Avoid looking at screens late at night. The blue light emitted from phones and other electronic devices can mess with your circadian rhythm, making it harder to fall asleep. Try avoiding looking at screens for 2 hours before bedtime. By following these steps, you can create a consistent sleep schedule that will leave you feeling more refreshed and energized each day. Troubleshooting. If your sleep schedule is off, it can be hard to get back on track. From too little sleep to late nights, the best way to fix your sleep schedule is to troubleshoot and find the underlying cause of the problem. This can be difficult and take time, but with these tips, you can get your body clock back on track in no time. If you are getting enough sleep, but still feeling tired, drink more water. Sometimes just drinking more fluids will help make sure that you are well hydrated and give you some extra energy. Try to go outside for a walk after work or doing any strenuous activities so that your body has a chance to cool down before going to bed. Make sure not to eat big meals before going to bed, as this might disrupt your digestion, which could lead to indigestion or even heartburn. Gulp. Making sure that the environment where you're sleeping is quiet and dark will also help put yourself in a good mood for bedtime. Setting an alarm clock may also be helpful if there are times when it's hard for us to wake up naturally at certain hours during the day. However, waking up at night should only happen once or twice per week max.